Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to talk about the Watch OneUI 5 beta that is rolled out in the past week, and talk about some of the new things coming to the S23 Ultra and Z Fold 4 and the OneUI 6 beta on that end. First, I want to thank channel partner Mint. Right now they are running a 50% off their unlimited plan. You can get any of their plans for just $15 a month on the 3-month plan, and they offer 3, 6, and 12-month plans. Check out the link down in the description below. Again, 50% off their unlimited plan, making it just $15 per month right now when you use the link down in the description. So I installed the OneUI 5 beta on my watch here, and we're going to look at it on the watch, and then I'm going to show you some of the new stuff over on the watch app as well, or the Wear app. So we got some new tiles for activities. I just set this back up when I switched it over to my other phone. So we got some of the new tiles here. There's a new battery tile, which will show the battery of all your connected devices, your watch, your phone, your buds, all that kind of stuff. Notifications look a little bit different. They have a kind of a little bubble to them now. When you set the watch up, you now have the option to skip the tour of the watch, which is nice if you are just, transferring the watch from one device to another. You don't have to keep doing that over and over again. But here is the watch, the Wear app on my Fold 4. So I'll show you some of the new tiles here we have. So here is the battery tile right there. I'm going to actually delete some of these that we don't need. So the battery tile, if you have your buds connected to any of your Samsung devices or your phone, it will show up on your watch. So you can see your case battery there, your buds battery. You have the media controller, so you can control the output of audio on connected devices right from your watch. We have your buds controller like before. So a bunch of new stuff. Some stuff is, the look has changed. When you charge the watch, there is a new kind of charging UI that shows the battery percentage and time till charge and stuff like that. It's not just the small white text, it's a nice big green text font now, which looks pretty nice. So that is some of the new stuff on the Galaxy Watch. This is the 5 Pro. They are also running this beta for the Galaxy Watch 4. If you head over to the Samsung Members app, you can get this beta, enroll your watch in it, and you can also download the updated app for the Wear and Health apps. So you can just scroll over. Here is the one for the Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic, and then the one for the Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. So you just scroll down here, read all that. You can hit join now, and then there is a way to download the Watch 5 Manager and the Samsung Health download right there. So you make sure your apps are up to date and your watch can connect to your phone while it is on the beta. You're also going to want the Samsung Members app for when OneUI 6 beta rolls out. That's going to roll out to the S23 Ultra, or the S23 series first. And again, it will most likely be on a banner up here when it is available for each individual device. Most likely they're going to come out for the S23s first, probably the S22s, and then maybe the Folds. The Folds are usually some of the last to get it, but hopefully we do see it here relatively soon. I'm thinking probably in mid to end of July for the S23 Ultra, the S23 series. Sorry, I keep calling it the S23 Ultra because that's what I have, but the S23 series. So make sure you are signed up on the Samsung Members app, and you do check that time to time, or you follow somebody on Twitter, and I'll also announce it here on the channel when that beta period is available for the S23 series and for the Fold series. I'm Colin with Techout. Over to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.